Luzon, Region 1, Ilocos Region, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Cordillera Administrative Region, Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, Mountain Province. Region 3, Central Luzon, Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, Zambales. Region 4A, Calabarzon, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon, Mimaropa, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Palawan. National Capital Region and National Capital Region. Caloocan City, Las Piñas City, Makati City, Malabon City, Mandaluyong City, Makati City, Manila City, Marikina City, Muntinlupa City, Abota City, Pasay City, Pasig City, San Juan City, Taguig City, Valenzuela City, Pateros. Region 5, Bicol Region, Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Masbate, Sorsogon. Region 6, Western Visayas, Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, Negros Occidental. Region 7, Central Luzon, Bohol, Cebu, Negros Oriental, Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas, Biliran, Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, Leyte, Southern Leyte. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, City of Isabela, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay. Region 10, Northern Mindanao, Bukidnon, Cabigid, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental.
Davao.
Region 11, Davao Region, Compostela Valley, Davao del Norte, Davao Occidental, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental. Region 12, Sacsayhuaman, North Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani.
13.
Caraga, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Dinagat Island, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, ARMM, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi.